everybody. Welcome to Bavaria, Germany. No, this is actually a little Bavaria, a little piece of Germany in Michigan. In 1845, a group of conservative Lutherans came to Michigan and settled here and created their own town. It's called Frankenmuth. So they came here and created their own community, and now since 1845, there are about 5,000 German descendants here, and there's some people who still speak fluent German. So I'm here to explore, and while I'm here, I'll show you around. So as you can see, a lot of the architecture is still Germanic in design, so check it out. So you have the Frankenmuth Cheese House. So this is the Bavarian Inn. This has been here since 1888. So for some reason, I see a lot of these restaurants advertise for chicken dinners. And I think that this one might be one of the first to offer it. So yeah, old school. So Frankenmuth, it means courage of the Franconians. Franconia, I believe, was the area of Bavaria that these Germans were from. So they put that plus Muth, which means courage, and that was the name of the town. So there's no way of telling who actual residents are, maybe the people who work in some of the shops, but I think generally this is a tourist area. I think still historically it's German, and there are still a lot of German speaking people. So if I could come across somebody that I find out lives here, I'm going to see if I can get some German from him. As I said, this place was founded by conservative Lutheran Christians, and usually when Christians move to a particular place, their goal is to convert people. So there were the Chippewa Indians here, and their goal here was not only to settle, but to convert the Chippewa Indians to Christians. And yeah, I'm not sure how successful they were, but that was one of the reasons why they came. Let's check out some drone footage. Here's the city. Not too big, but still pretty cool. Their economy is based on tourism and farming. So it makes sense that there'd just be the town and then lots of farm around. Most of the people I see around are clearly tourists, and it's a worthy attraction to stop at. For all you covered bridge enthusiasts, whoever you are, here is a covered bridge. Not too many of them left. I'm gonna walk up, or maybe even walk through it. It's built in 1979. The Holtz Buke, I don't know how you pronounce that. I have to honestly say, I'm not so sure what the interest is in covered bridges. I mean, they're kind of cool, but I've seen quite a few of them. Maybe they're just something that doesn't exist as much anymore, but here we are. Going down a covered bridge. Ultra Bavarian, I suppose. here's the Frankenmuth Steamboat that comes down the river. I thought about riding it, but I thought it was better to look at than to jump on. There's one or two places to shop here, and this is one of them. Made it like a sort of old Bavarian village. It's a pretty cool town. I mean, if you didn't know any better, you would think you're in Europe, except for all the English signs. All right, it's time to play some German music. Or some music in Little Germany in America. Master musician, as you can hear by the silent round of applause. Maybe this is what the typical German that moved here looked like. That's some German kids. They were smiling. They walked up here in a line, I suppose. All right, well, I had a great day here in Frankenmuth. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of more fun stuff planned. This is the first place I'm coming in Michigan. I've never been to Michigan, never been to Wisconsin. I'm gonna stop in both places and see what I can see. I have a few plans here, but hey, I stop at random places too, especially for animals. So hopefully I can find a petting zoo or something because, you know, I love my mammals. Anyway, like, subscribe, and check me out in the next video. All right, have a good one. Love you guys.